While we all live on the same planet, each organism has its own world, its own point of view based on what that particular organism can sense. Different organisms have different capacities of what it can sense. Some are blind, some are deaf, while some have extraordinary senses of sight or sound or smell. It is an organism's this unique sensory world that is called its Umwelt. It consists of those things that organism notices and are probably important to that organism. It might be useful to the organism, such as food, or it might be dangerous to the organism, such as a predator or something poisonous, or it might just affect the animal in some manner, make it more comfortable or more uncomfortable. For example, what is in a mosquito's Umwelt? What does a mosquito's senses notice? What is important to it? Probably sources of food such as blood and fruit juices. To get blood, the mosquito has to be able to detect smelly chemicals that the body releases and body temperature. Also, probably a partner with which it can reproduce. For this, the male mosquito has to be able to detect the very particular sound of a female mosquito hovering nearby. However, the chemicals released through which the mosquito detects blood are not part of our Umwelt. We don't care about that. Similarly, the smell of freshly baked bread or the beautiful music playing on the radio isn't part of a mosquito's Umwelt, but it is part of ours. These things are not part of a mosquito's Umwelt because these things are not meaningful in any way to the mosquito. An object may exist in the world of several different species, but it can mean different things to them. A flower may be an object of beauty or love for you. To a butterfly, it means nectar, food. To your dog, it is just one among many plants around. It is meaningful to you and to the butterfly, but in different ways. To the dog, it is not meaningful, but it can be meaningful. How? If you have touched it, it has your smell on it. Now it may have some meaning for your dog. It may also have some meaning if another dog has urinated on it and your dog can smell that. To understand another animal, we must try our best to enter their Umwelt, to know what is meaningful to that animal, to experience the world as that animal does.